The second piece to why fats are important too is fats are going to give a much slower blood sugar response, basically. If we were to load up on a bunch of sugars, easy digesting carbs right before bed, which I still have rice, which is a relatively easy digesting carb. If we were to load up on that with low to no fats, what's going to happen is you're going to get a very big blood sugar spike. It's going to be a crazy surge of energy, and then all of a sudden you're just going to crash. And because you have that crash, blood sugar goes back down, your stomach's going to be relatively empty because it's already broken down everything, and it's just going to cause, quite honestly, it could cause more stress, because when your blood sugar is going like this all the time, that just freaks out your body a little bit more.